You may think you're ready to file your taxes, but before you do, you want to be sure you're getting the most of your money back as possible.
KCTV5's Abigail James is live talking with experts about deductions that a lot of us actually forget about. We're leaving money, Abby.
Right. Well, no matter your situation, you are probably not the only one whose head starts spinning when you think about filing your taxes. But we're here this morning to kind of help ease the stress of that. I'm joined here with Andy Phillips down here at H&R Block downtown. When it comes to the most common overlooked deduction, what would you say is the biggest?
Well, it's just generally that, around 1 in 3 taxpayers itemize, but millions more should and would benefit from doing so. So when you're getting ready for that tax appointment this year, make sure if you have a mortgage, you're getting your 1098. If you're paying any state and local property or income taxes, you've got records of those. Unreimbursed medical expenses, to make sure that if you benefit from itemizing, that you have those records on hand to provide to your tax professional.
Okay, and a lot of talk about tax reform right now. Is that something that we need to worry about right now?
Yes and no. So the tax reform provisions, the vast majority, don't actually take effect until 2018, which means they're going to impact the return you're filing around this time next year. However, there are so they're not going to impact what you're filing right now. However, there are some things you can do to plan. These changes are really sweeping. Want to make sure that you understand the impact and get the best outcome next year. One basic tip is, if you're an employee, look at your W-4 and adjust your tax withholdings to get that result you want when you're filing this time next year.
All right, very good. And one other thing to keep in mind, if you've had any significant life changes in the past year, you're going to have some changes to your taxes. For now, reporting live, Abigail James, KCTV5.